means that there's wire sewn to the outside, but there's also wire sewn to the inside. This particular type of ribbon can be challenging to do, and here's the reason why. You're fluffing it on the bow, right? And now watch this one not work for me. Oh, this has happened to me before when I'm fluffing a bow. And so because it is stitched, we're talking non-wired satin ribbon attached to a wired ribbon, but in a weird kind of pressed pattern, so that when you go to fluff, it is likely to separate if you put too much tension on that. So whenever you're dealing with wired ribbon that you can see that has different textures sewn together, that is a weak point. So it can separate. So just separate with caution and care so you don't split that, because that would just really ruin your bow when you finally get a good bow and you're going to fluff it, and that's exactly what happens.